Green chemistry and ibuprofen. Green chemistry is the making of chemical products that reduce and/or eliminate the production of and generation of hazardous substances. The new and improved ibuprofen. The making of ibuprofen, which is a very common over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drug used to treat everyday aches and pains, used to involve 5 long steps that produced multiple extra chemicals that were unnecessary and harmful to the environment. However, the new way to improve ibuprofen is done in a much easier 3-step process that wastes no chemicals, making it safer and more efficient. Principle number 1. The new production of ibuprofen deals with multiple principles of green chemistry. The first one deals with the waste of extra chemicals made in producing the drug. The main reason for changing the production of this chemical was to cut down on the waste of extra products. Principle number 4. The next principle is that the product should be made less toxic while increasing production. The new way to make ibuprofen increases production by making it a faster and more efficient process, but also making it greener due to the cutting down of waste of extra chemicals not included in the final product. Principle number 5. The making of this new product has a huge impact on creating a greener environment, which is what is stated in the principle number 5. Principle number 7. The final principle states that after the production of the chemical, there will be little or no products left over to harm the environment. A new way to make ibuprofen uses up all the chemicals created in this process, leaving nothing wasted left over to harm the environment. Everyday life. As an athlete, I deal with everyday aches and pains, from soreness of practice to headaches and body aches. I can use up a lot of ibuprofen in a season and in the off-season. So having ibuprofen created in a more green way makes me feel better about using the drug, knowing that I am not harming the environment by using it every day.